How to replace green screen in CapCut. First of all, upload a video. Click Import to upload a pre-recorded green screen footage and background video into the application. You can also choose to practice with the green screen videos provided by CapCut in the library section and adjust some basic parameters such as rotation, positioning, alignment, and the scale of the video. Then adjust the position of the videos accordingly. The screen video should be an overlay on the upper track and the background material on the lower track. Click on the green screen photos on the timeline. Select the top video tab and switch to the cutout tab below. Now, at this point, check the box with the chroma key option and use the dropper tool to sample the green color in the footage. Adjust the strength and shadow parameters, and the CapCut desktop video editor will intelligently remove the green screen, achieving a blend between the subject and the new background. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.